If you're serious about your pickleball improvement, there is one habit you need to start doing today. And frankly, most players won't do it. And it's the habit that separates the best players from the rest of the players. It's simple, it's powerful, and most importantly, it is going to change the way you play. Stick around because I'm going to show you how SwingVision will be a game changer for your pickleball game. Why is it important to use video? A picture is really worth 1,000 words. You need to see both the good shots and the not so good shots. That's your key to real improvement. Video captures nuances that you would never see. Your footwork, your foundation, your stroke mechanics, even your shot selection, just to name a few. You can't fix what you can't see, and that's why recording yourself is a game changer. But here's the thing, it's not just enough to record your game, you need to know what to look for. And that's where SwingVision takes things to the next level. Not only does it analyze your game, it gives you the information that you need to make changes. And the best part is SwingVision makes it easy and effortless. Meet the swing stick. It's lightweight and easily portable. Simply put your phone into the clip on the swing stick. The guides on the stick will help you to get the perfect camera angle every time. It clips onto any fence in seconds, and it comes with a built-in sunshade to prevent overheating. There's no need for a fancy setup or extra equipment. Just clip it, start recording, and let SwingVision do the rest. Did you know that most pickleball rallies are not lost to a winner, but to an unforced error? At the floral level and below, there are about 5 points per game that are given away due to consistency. And with SwingVision, don't be no more guessing. You'll know exactly where it's happening. You can see the number of errors and where you're making them. That gives you the information you need to work on the shots that matter most to your game. And it's not just errors. SwingVision helps you measure the key factors that will give you success on the court. Take deep serves and deep returns as an example. Now, most players know that they're important, yet 79% of players don't hit them deep. That means they're starting the point at a disadvantage. With SwingVision, there's no more guessing if your serve or return are deep. It has a quick at-a-glance feature that allows you to see if the shot lands in the back half of the court. Now you'll finally have the proof of whether you're setting yourself up for success or making the game harder than it needs to be. Winning more points isn't just about hitting great shots. It's about what happens in the first few exchanges of the rally. Think about it. If your return is short, your opponent immediately gains the advantage. If you miss your third shot, you're giving away an easy opportunity. That's why tracking these first 5 shots is so valuable. SwingVision automatically does this for you, showing you exactly where the mistakes are happening right from the start. Now, when you clean up those early errors, you're going to put yourself in a better position to stay in the point, dictate play, and ultimately win more games. But improvement isn't just about seeing your mistakes. It's about capturing the data that helps you to get to the next level. And that's exactly what SwingVision is built to do. Want to see how well you're extending rallies? Pull up the points that lasted 5 shots or more. Curious about your third shot drop? SwingVision's got that too. SwingVision AI highlights remove all the dead time between the points, making it easy to watch a 30-minute game back in less than 5 minutes. No more digging through or editing your own footage. SwingVision does it all for you. And once you have that data, it's easier to share than ever. With SwingVision, you can instantly share your footage with coaches, training partners, or the friends that you played with. And with player tagging, your matches are automatically sent to everyone involved. No extra work needed. Use my link to get your free swing stick with the purchase of SwingVision Pro. That's a $100 value. I'd like to thank SwingVision for sponsoring this video because you know what I always say. Together, we can train smart, live bold, and age well.